Here's how you quickly add LUTs to DaVinci Resolve. You go over to open your project settings. Whatever timeline you're on, just go down here and click on the gear wheel. It will open the project settings. And then you'll go over to color management, okay? Scroll down until you see lookup tables. Under lookup tables, click Open LUT folder. And then after you restart DaVinci Resolve, you can go to the LUTs area, right click on your actual clip, go to your LUT area. Just a tip, I recommend using an adjustment clip, which you can simply find just by typing in adjustment clip from your effects. But anyway, go to the color tab and then right click, go to LUT, and then go to your folder for the LUT you created, and then just apply it. And there you go. Now you can see it without and with. And, you can also play around some more with different things. You don't have to just have like end all be all one particular LUT. You can add more adjustment clips, go to color, and then as long as you have LUTs to add, you can simply just add the LUT. Like we just added the second LUT, which is a very subtle change, hardly any at all. And then you would go to here again, make sure to select the correct adjustment clip, and then just go back to the color tab, and then go to, of course, your folder with your LUTs in it, and then you can change it. And then there you go. That's what that one looks like. And with this method, you can even stack all of the LUTs if that's what you really wanted to do. That's another reason why I think adjustment clips are the right call. So, you can just have fun with it.